Today, T takes on mounting an outdoor TV. Alright, after doing some investigative work, I've determined that the stud is on the left side of this outlet and is 64.5 inches away from the entrance of my door over there. Alright, we are outside opposite of the kitchen wall. I marked out where 64.5 is going to be. That's right there. The outlet is going to be right here. So on center, it's going to be right there. And I marked out the next two studs. This blue line here is going to be the bottom of the TV. 7 inches up is going to be where I need to mount the bracket. Alright, let's keep going. I am using the Sanus Simplicity Full Motion TV mount that I purchased from Costco. This mount supports TVs from 37 to 90 inches. Using a laser level and an included template, I drill some pilot holes for the TV bracket, making sure the holes on the left side line up with the wall stud. I then finish boring out the holes using the appropriate size drill bits. I use a 3/8 bit for the anchors on the right and a 7/32 bit for the left side for the studs. Next, I hammer in the anchors on the right side and attach the wall plate with the included 5/16 lag bolts. I centered the arm assembly between the tape marks that indicate the width of the TV and secure it into place with the 4 wall plate screws. Please note that there are 4 screws in total, 2 for the top and 2 for the bottom. I don't have the footage showing me fastening the bottom screws. Off camera and indoors, I secure the mounting brackets to the back of the TV. With the help of Mrs. T, we hang the TV to the arm assembly and secure it with the locking screw. All that is left is plugging it in and peeling off the plastic. Alright, here is the TV all mounted. We come on the underside here. Here is the mount. We have on the left side lag screws that go directly into the stud. On the right side, I had to use the provided concrete anchors. And if you follow the electrical cord going all the way down, it plugs into this outdoor electrical junction box. And I have my Ion here connected to Bluetooth for some added oomph for sound. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next T Takes On.